I just gotta find a chain bank somewhere.
All right, guys.
My boss can buy 'em.
It's like 11:30. It's snowing. I'm not sticking around for this stuff. I'm not being from California, but the bus is stuck. This is the second one that's gotten stuck. So we're waiting. We're getting chains put on. I'm gonna pull the bus out. Everybody else is staying out in the snow. We had to evacuate half the camp because it's just too dangerous. If you don't have a wood floor and a wood stove in your tent, you're gonna freeze to death. So people left that couldn't stay, weren't safe. Here's our bus driver. Say hi.
I'm trying to find a chain bank.
Hey, what?
A chain bank. Where you rent the chains and you drop them off somewhere else.
Oh, we're definitely probably gonna need those for sure, right? Yep.
So
Chains.
I'm gonna keep going until